The world is changing, business is changing, how business operates is changing, and the speed of change is increasing all the time. So it's really critical that brokers understand their clients or their prospective clients and the way they think, the way they're making their own decisions, and take that information and really position themselves as the trusted advisor on risk and insurance.
I think technology is changing in the way in which we interact with people. Customers are changing, customers and shareholders' expectations are changing. Technology is enabling us to interact with them on a whole different level these days.
Internally, broker principals are trying to operate their businesses a lot more efficiently. Externally, there's a massive amount of competition between brokers, but also there's the availability of insurance from a whole range of non-traditional sources like the internet and a whole other channels. So a lot of things happening to really put pressure on brokers at the present time.
It's becoming way too transactional, take away from fostering relationships, and you're going to see a really challenging market for brokers nationally. We don't need to be pessimistic about our outlook. It's a very positive environment out there. I think that one strategy we can take away from all of this is that we do need to spend time actually not focusing on the day-to-day operational side of the business and actually taking away what is our strategy, what is our goal, and what can we do to change the course that we're on here. Brokers really need to be out there creating community awareness for what we're doing, driving the values and initiatives, not just at an individual broker level, but us as a whole.
Increasingly, all the routine transactions are going to be automated. So where does that leave brokers? Processing transactions is not going to be a role. The computers will do that. Their role will be a trusted advisor role. I'm fully confident that brokers will do that role really well.
How do I differentiate from my competition? How do I actually make sure I create value? How do I actually make sure that when I operate in today's environment, it's not circa 1995, it's now 2017 and my business customers changed?
We're concerned about the speed of change that's happening, and so, for example, in 2016, the entire NIBA convention was all about 2021. What's the economy going to look like? What's the industry going to look like? What's broking going to look like? The other thing that we're doing within NIBA is to continually develop Need a Broker.
I know that in my capacity as a New South Wales Young Professional Committee member for NIBA, we're actively out there talking to school leavers, university graduates at open days, just trying to involve them, and creating awareness I think is going to be the key piece.
Vero has supplied a number of tools in the course of the SME Index. Last year we launched 3 tools on the broker tutorial, one on Insurance Selector, and on the benefits of using a broker to help manage a claim. Those tools have helped brokers actually understand what they actually can do for their clients. We had a record year of engagement last year. We had over 1,700 brokers actually download and register the use of those tools, which is absolutely fantastic. Through Vero and through our broker social media, we've had over 42,000 impressions in the market. So again, it's getting a wider understanding of what the SME Index is doing to the community. And we had over 400 brokers attend SME training days. So without question, the index is showing the relevance. They're showing that they're increasingly satisfied, and they're showing that there is actually an absolute need for the index to actually be driving information to them that they didn't understand. So we decided to shake things up this year, make it new, fresh. Providing these sort of tools is critical to their success, as we believe it is ours. Use these funds to invest in yourself, invest in your business, but invest in your clients' best interest here in terms of how you can use the data that we've actually encapsulated and use that for your clients.